ॐ वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम्। अतिरात्रे षोडशिनं गृह्णाति न अतिरात्रे षोडशिनं गृह्णाति. In this case, vikalpa is ishta. So vikalpa means sometimes you can do, sometimes you don't do. This is called vikalpa. So there is no paryudasa. Pratishedha is not there. Vikalpe pratishidhyamanasya anartha hetutva abhava varnanam. When there is vikalpena pratishidhyamanatvam, there is no anartha. Page number 72. Iyanstu vishesho यद विकल्पात् एक प्रतिषेधे अपि प्रतिषिध्यमानस्य न अनर्थ हेतुत्वम्. एक प्रतिषेध is done, so प्रतिषिध्यमान means that which is getting negated is not for anartha hetu, tasya na anartha hetutvam. विधि निषेध उभयस्य अपि क्रत्वर्थत्वात्. क्रतुअर्थ means these kind of injunctions are of both types, vidhi as well as nishedha. Where there is no vikalpa, then it is different. Yatra tu na vikalpaha praptischa ragatah eva pratishedasya purusharthaha. Prapti is through raga. Pratishedha is the purushartha. Means that is where I have to put forth effort. You say put forth effort or struggle, whatever, that is where you have to do everything. Tatra pratishidhyamanasya anartha hetutvam. There it is very clearly told what is being negated will, if you do it, it will give you anartha. Means it will give you naraka prapti. That's why it is being negated. Yatha na kalanjam bhakshayet. Pratishidhyamana is kalanja bhakshanam. इत्यादौ कलंज भक्षणादेः तत्र भक्षण निषेधस्य एव पुरुषार्थत्वात्. Means my effort is not to eat that, no matter how much raga I have for it. Is ragatah prapta pratishedha is purushartha, and that pratishidhyamana vastu is anartha hetu. न च दीक्षितो न ददाति न जुहोति इत्यादौ शास्त्र प्राप्त दान होमादीनां निषेधात् विकल्पापत्तिः इति वाच्य. Dikshita, person who is given initiation for some yaga, like they tie this red color thing, or in Veda they have that thing that they tie from the darbha. They make it a ring. You tie it, then you do achmanam 3 times, and after that you do the ritual. If you want to take a break, let's say it is going on for 4-5 hours, after 2 hours you want to go drink something or washroom, you remove it, go, you have to leave it there only. Go finish whatever you want to do, come back, wash your hands, put this, do achamanam, shuddhi, then you start the ritual again. This is called dikshitaha. For that much time you are bound by the niyama. There, if this instruction is given, injunction is na dadati, na juhoti, you should not do any danam, not havanam, etc. शास्त्र प्राप्त दान होमादीना निषेधात विकल्पापत्ति इति वाच्य. Dikshita also can mean some kind of diksha they have taken, that is also dikshita. Vishesha, not any diksha. So then there is a nishedha is being done and elsewhere it is said you should give, you should do havanam, etc. तो विकल्पापत्ति इति न च वाच्य। स्वतः पुरुषार्थ भूत दान होमादीनां निषेधस्य पुरुषार्थत्व अभावे अपि निषिध्यमानस्य अनर्थ हेतुत्वात्। They are swatah purushartha rupa. This dana, homa, they will give punya on their own. When they are negated, then nishidhyamana vastu is always anartha hetu. In the previous one, where it was said, Shodashinam Grinnati, Shodashinam na Grinnati, Atiratre, in that there was Vikalpa. Here, there is no Vikalpa Apatti. That's what somebody said, let's have Vikalpa Apatti. Siddhanti said no. Here, if it is said na dadati na juhoti, and if you do that, there is anartha hetutva. Yatha kratau swastri gamanadehe. Kratu, in kratu means in a yaga, homa, havana, whatever he has to do in that. He cannot sleep with his wife also. Swastri gamanam is anartha hetu. So dikshit person, whatever that diksha kala is there, for that time he cannot do certain things. Tan nishedasya kratvarthatvena tasya kratu vaigunya sampadakatvat. Tan nishedasya, that nishedha kratvarthatvena, that nishedha applies to the kratu artha, means applies to that ritual that he is going to do. Then in that, swastri gamanam, kalanja bhakshanam, all of that is anartha hetu. And what it will do, tasya kratu vaigunya sampadakatvat. In that kratu, in that ritual karma, it will give vaigunyam. Vaigunya means negative. Nishiddha vastu, if you do, it will bring negative thing in that ritual. So if I am doing the ritual for Swarga, in that if they have said, and these things are said, don't do this, don't do that, and if I don't follow and do it, my performance will be defective. Vigatam guno yasmat tad vigunam tasya bhava vaigunyam. So that kratu will be deficient. Like Ekadashi Vratam is there, and you say, but let me eat something, rest of the day I am doing Ekadashi anyway, then that is Vaigunya. Now, so this Nisheda Prakranam is over. Now, Arthavada Prakranam, Arthavada Mimansa. Prashastya Ninda Anyataraparam Vakyam Arthavadaha. Prashastya is there. Two essential thing. It will be Nindapara. Means either prashansa, glorification, or criticism, condemnation. तस्य च लक्षणया प्रयोजनवत् अर्थ पर्यवसान. That which is prayojanavan, in that artha paryavasanam of arthavada. So this arthavada, etc., they either praise the mukhya karma or they criticize some karma, so I should not do it. Examples they will give. Samanya Drishtanta, if you want to take. This Arthavada will create some buddhi in me. So if I am on the fence, border case, I don't know whether I should do something or not. Arthavada will help me. If it is prashansa, I will do it. If it is ninda, I will back out. This is the objective. Tatha hi. Now he explains. अर्थवाद वाक्यं हि स्वार्थ प्रतिपादने प्रयोजनाभावात् विधेय निषेध्ययोः प्राशस्त्य निंदितत्वे लक्षणया प्रतिपादयति. अर्थवाद वाक्यं लक्षणया प्रतिपादयति. किम? स्वार्थ प्रतिपादने प्रयोजन अभावात्. अर्थवाद वाक्य has no स्वार्थ प्रतिपादन. There is no prayojanam of its own. Whatever is either vidheya or nishedhya, in vidheya prashastya lakshanaya and in nishedhya ninditatvena lakshanaya pratipadayati. This is the role of Arthavada Vakya. स्वार्थ मात्र परत्वे अनर्थक्य प्रसंग. स्वार्थ रेप स्वार्थ मात्र परत्वे अनर्थक्य प्रसंगात्. If it is Swartha Matra Para, Arthavada, if it is only for itself, it is Anarthakya. Why? Because in Arthavada there is no Kriya. And Amnayasya cha Kriyarthatvat Anarthakyam Atadarthanam. This is their principle. Amnaya is always, Amnaya means Veda. Veda is only for Kriyartha. Everything else is Anarthakya. But this is a Purva Paksha Vakya. In them, Siddhanti accepts it and it says, yes, therefore such Arthavada Vakya, etc., how do they accommodate? Vidinan tu eka vakyatvat stutyarthena vidinan syu. Vidinan tu eka vakyatvat. They have eka vakyata. Vidhi Vakyas, they come together. Nacha ishtapattihi. If Arthavada Vakya becomes Anartha, let it happen, somebody says. No, it is not Ishta for us. Why? Swadhyayo adhyatavyaha iti adhyana vidina sakala vedadhyanam kartavyam iti bodhayata sarva vedasya prayojanavad artha paryavasayitvam suchayata upattatvena anarthakya anupapattehe. Swadhyayo adhyatavyaha is talking about adhyana vidhi of the entire Veda. The entire Veda should be studied. Then nothing of Veda is Anartha Rupa. Means Anarthakya is not there. In that Arthavada Vakyas will come or not. When I study all the Vedas, Arthavada Vakya will come. But those Arthavada Vakyas, if Purva Pakshi says they don't have their Prayojanam, they are Anarthakya. So we say no. They are not. We means Mimamsaka will say, no, they are not Anartha Rupa. They have an objective. What objective? They will or Nishedya in the form of Prashastya or Ninditatva. Tad Bodhaka Vakya it will become. And therefore, Anarthakya Anupapattehe. They don't have Anarthakyam. So you will see all the key phrases from all Mimamsa discussions are all used here. Swadhyayo adhyatavya is there. Amnayasya kriyarthatvat. Whatever bhashya, Shankara bhashya, if you read, or some other major texts, whatever Mimamsa portions are discussed, they all are there here. Atiratre shodashinam grinnati, na grinnati, etc. Now he gives drishtanta. So sadvividaha, sa kaha अर्थवादः द्विविधः विधिशेषो निषेधशेषश्च. Either it will add up to a vidhi or to nisheda. So what adds up to vidhi is called vidhishesha. It is a part of vidhi or it is a part of nisheda. Tatra vayavyam shvetam alabhet alabheta bhutikama ityadi vidhisheshasya. So this is a vakya. Vayavyam shvetam alabheta bhutikama. This is a vidhi vakya. This vidhi vakya shesha will be vayurvaik shepishtha devata इत्यादेर विधेयार्थ प्राशस्त्य बोधकतया अर्थवत्वम. वायुर्वै क्षेपिष्ठा देवता. वायु इज ए फास्ट मूविंग देवता because somebody is debating. Vayavyam shvetam bhutikama. He is a bhutikama. He wants praise, he wants glory, recognition, some other thing, wealth, etc. It is said you offer a Shweta Pashu to Vayu Devata. So he is thinking. So it is said Vayu Devata will give you quick results. So then he will do it like that. Ityader Vidheyartha Prashastya Bodhak. This is the Prashastya Bodhaka Vakya. It praises Vayu Devata. So then you will get inspired to do it. Barhishi Rajatam na deyam. Barhishi is a yaga. In that, Barhishi means yaga. Barhishi is not a yaga of one type. Barhishi means yaga. In that, Rajata Danam should not be done. Ityadi Nisheda Sheshasya. So arodit. Yad arodit tad rudrasya rudratvam. Ityader nishedhyasya ninditatva bodhakataya arthavatvam. So arodit, that Saha is actually Agni. Yad arodit tad rudrasya rudratva. So he is, because of the crying, he is called Rudra. That is the Rudratva of Rudra in the form of tears coming out. Because Rudra Devata makes you cry. Cry because what we don't like also has to happen, whether we like it or not. So it will happen. So then we will Nishedhyasya Ninditatva Bodhakataya. So Nishedhya Vastu is what? Barhishi Rajatam. That is Nishidhya. Its Ninda is done. If you do it, you will also cry. That's Soarodit is the Ninda Vakya. Ninditatva Bodhakataya Arthavatvam. Nacha Prashastyadi Bodhasya Nishprayojanattvena Narthavadasya Arthavatvam iti Vachya. Prashastyadi Bodhasya Nishprayojanattvena. What is Prashastyadi Bodha? What is the Prayojanam? It by itself doesn't serve any purpose. And therefore, Arthavadasya Arthavatvam na iti nacha Vachya. Why? Alasyadi Vashad Apravartamanasya Pumsaha Pravrityadi Janakatvena Tad Bodhasya Upayoga. Somebody is alsi, lazy person, so he is Apravartamana Purusha. He doesn't do anything. So for that person, Pravritti Adi Janakatvena Tad Bodhasya Upayogat. Sapunas Tredha. This Arthavada is threefold. Taduttam. Virode, this you have already studied at least 2, 3, 4 times. Virode gunavadasyad anuvado vadarite bhutardhavadastadhanad arthavadastridhamataha iti. Virode gunavadasyad. When there is a virodha, then understand it is gunavada. It is just praised. Yatha, see the example is given in the next line. अस्य अर्थः प्रमाणांतर विरोधे सति अर्थवादो गुणवादः यथा आदित्यो यूप इत्यादि. This yupa is aditya, it's like sun. How it is sun? Yupa means a post, sacrificial post. यूप आदित्य भेदस्य प्रत्यक्ष बाधितत्वात्. यदि प्रत्यक्ष बाध is there because Yupa is not Aditya, is not sun. आदित्यवत् उज्ज्वलत्व रूप गुणो अनेन लक्षणया प्रतिपाद्यते. That उज्ज्वलत्व रूप गुण is there in what? Yupa. That लक्षणया प्रतिपाद्यते. Second part is अनुवादो वधारिते. अनुवाद is प्रमाणांतर अवगतार्थ बोधको अर्थवादो अनुवादः. What is known through another pramana, and here somebody is saying that so is a arthavada. Like यथा अग्निर हिमस्य भेषजम इति. अत्र हिम विरोधित्वस्य अग्नौ प्रत्यक्ष अवगतत्वात्. हिम विरोधी अग्नि is opposite of cold, is pratyaksha, it is known already. And bhutarthavadas tadhanat, arthavadas tridhamata. Bhutarthvada is pramanantar virodha तत्प्राप्ति ही तत्प्राप्ति रहितार्थ बोधको अर्थवादो भूतार्थवाद. प्रमाणांतर विरोध रहित, तत्प्राप्ति रहित. So neither there is contradiction with other pramana, nor there is approval from other pramana. In the first one there is contradiction from other pramana, Aditya and Yupa. Agni Hima is pratyakshatah jnata, so it other pramana prapti is there. In this one, third one is pramanantar virodha is also not there, prapti is also not there. This is bhutarthavada. Yatha indro vrutraya vajram udayachat ityadi. Or the simple one is vajrahasta purandara. That is same this one. Upasamhara is done now. एवं च यजेत स्वर्ग काम इत्यादि निखिल वेदस्य साक्षात् परंपरया वा यागादि धर्म प्रतिपादकत्वं सिद्धम्. In this way, entire Veda is either sakshat dharma pratipadaka or paramparaya. Talks about do some yaga for punya, etc. सोयम धर्मो यद उद्देश्य विहितः तद उद्देश्येन क्रियमाणस् तद हेतुः. That dharma, if it is performed keeping something in mind, then tad uddeshyena kriyamanah. Swarga uddeshyena kriyamanah, it is swarga hetu. Putra uddeshyena kriyamanah, putra hetu. In this way. But Ishwararpana buddhya kriyamanastu nishreyasa hetu. This is the most important thing. Anything you do, Ishwararpana buddhi is there, it is for moksha. न च तद अर्पण बुद्धि अनुष्ठाने प्रमाणाभावः. यत् करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम् इति भगवत गीता स्मृतेः एव प्रमाणत्वात्. And in that, Ishwararpana buddhi doesn't have moksha. In that there is, means if somebody says like that, there is no pramanam that it will add up to moksha. He says there is pramanam. See, here in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan himself has said in 9th chapter, whatever you do, whatever you enjoy, experience, whatever offerings you make, whatever charity you do, whatever austerity, tapas you do, everything you give it to me. So, Ishwararpan buddhi you have. स्मृति चरणे तत्प्रामाण्यस्य श्रुति मूलकत्वेन व्यवस्थापनात् इति शिवम. If it is given in smriti, it will have some shruti as its mula. It is based on Veda only. In Veda, it is given in different way. Here, Bhagavan has made it more clear. Vyavasthapana. This vyavastha we can do. Iti shivam. बालानां सुखबोधाय भास्करेण सुमेधसा रचितोऽयं समासेन जैमिनीयार्थसंग्रहः. So Balanam Sukhabodhaya, for the we are Bala as far as or this Mimamsa Prakranam is concerned. Bhaskarena by Logakshi Bhaskaracharya Sumedasa Samasena Rachito Ayam Grantha Jaiminiya Artha Sangraha Grantha. This Grantha which talks about Jaimini Rishi's Artha Sangraha means this Mimamsa, all the padas, their collection and meaning in brief. Samasena Rachitaha Sukhabodhaya Bhavatu. For our Sukhabodhaya may it be, or Sukhabodhaya Rachitaha. In this way, Artha Sangraha is complete. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.